Okay, sixth grade music students, here's the assignment from the worksheets that I sent you today. Notice that at the top, it wants you to write the appropriate time signature at the beginning of each line of music. And you might ask yourself, well, how do I know which time signature I should use? Well, in each of these time signatures, 2-4, 3-4, and 4-4, there is a 4 on the bottom of each time signature, which means my whole note will be 4 beats and my whole rests. So if my whole note is 4 beats, then half of 4, my half note, this guy, would be 2. And since he takes up the whole measure by himself, you know that there's only 2 beats in this measure, and every time signature has a 4 on the bottom. So you would put 2, 4. Similarly, look down here. We have our half note, which we know gets 2 of the beats. And then these guys, our quarter notes, get 1/4 of 4. So 1/4 times 4, which we talked about in class, gets 1 beat. So you've got 2, 1, and 1. Ask yourself, how much is 2 plus 1 plus 1? And that will give you your answer for your top number, which you can put here. Down at the bottom of the sheet, they already gave you the time signatures, but one of the measures is wrong. So we already did up above that this is worth 1. This is a quarter rest, so that's 1 all by itself. So we're good. We've got 1, 2 beats, just like the top number right here tells us we should have. Here we've got 1, 2 beats. We're good. Oops, I forgot my parentheses for this one, which is important because it's a rest. But let's check out this one. This is beat 1. It would also take beat 2. And then, wait a minute. So now that measure right here is adding up to 3 beats. But our time signature over here, the top number always tells you what it should add up to. So that one's not right. So we would circle it and put a ring around it. You do the same thing for the rest of the page.